Hi guys, it's me, Najima from Yadharajaman, and today I found these black Ruby. Is it? There's my friend here. Ruby is eating ice cream. I just eat ice cream. I'm done, but Ruby's still eating. So Black Galaxy I think plays. Black Galaxy Uni plays. Make her own skin gacha life or gacha verse, but make her own. So and triple kitten tails make the her Karaya make themselves like I make myself. Okay, so this is how you need. I'm a girl. I'm not a boy. It's gonna be awkward if I'll be a girl. Actually, a boy. I have that. I don't like wearing that. I don't like wearing tips. I don't like tips.
That's not way.
What? What?
Okay, good. I thought you were still a boy.
Dude, I'm not a boy. My color hair, I like rainbow, so just put me rainbow, okay? Rainbow's my thing. What?
I want to make this up.
Wait, it's gonna be second video. If you wanna see how to make Ruby skin, it's gonna be the second video. So try to make my eye. It's that, and it's yellow, and I don't like that one. I like these. Yeah. I don't wear glasses. I hate wearing glasses. My eyebrows are like that. Okay. I'm gonna use slow. Okay, fine. This is my hair. It's 35, and this is 16. This is 11. So yeah, everyone is like, and first mouth, I pick this mouth, and I pick this eyebrows, and I pick these eyes, and I pick this hair if you want to see if you get these. And don't forget the hair, I like these hairs, and this hair. Okay, now we're gonna go to the shirts. I wear boy shirts because it's awesome. I use these. Okay, now the color it is
Not my type.
any kind, but it have to be perfectly green and blue because I don't like to use scarves. I don't use these, but these are my favorites, okay? These are just my favorites, these. I wear really smalls. It is basically blue. I don't, but I forgot how to make myself, but I like to be rainbow, so it's like that. Shoes are these. Pants are these. Sorry guys, I make it a bit fast, so don't mind. I like to use these. Purple, pink. Now over to the wings. These are my favorite wings.
That's actually mine wings from Gacha.
Me too, duh. And I don't wear shield. My name it is Gator Kitty. Kitu. Nobody knows I'm sad, happy, sweet, manly girl, calm, clumsy. Well, I am clumsy and I'm childish.
Such a childish.
I want ice cream.
No. You already got ice cream.
I want a giant one.
No.
This is my gang. This is my gang. How to decorate Celine, Alex, it can be Ruby, Luna, it can be her. Ariel,
I want to be Luna.
Ariel, it's my cousins. Cody, it's my gangster. Jessica's my gangster. Savannah too, and Celine. Bye bye. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share with all your friends and family, and with Ruby. Even I don't know if she have a YouTube channel.
Maybe sometimes. Someday.
Share with all your friends, family, and BFFs. And don't forget, ring the bell and goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
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 Just close it already.
No.